Apple is suing OpenAI and two of its former employees for theft of its trade secrets. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. In a lawsuit filed in federal court, Apple alleges misconduct by OpenAI, describing its hardware business as rotten to its core. The lawsuit also names IO Products, the Jony Ive-led hardware startup acquired by OpenAI, as complicit in the trade secret theft. It doesn't mention Ivy by name, but described the organization as complicit in a coordinated pattern of misconduct at an institutional level within OpenAI. The filing also names Chang and Tang, former Apple employees, and claims that they both shared trade secrets with OpenAI. All in all, Apple says that more than 400 of its former employees have taken jobs at OpenAI, and that the company's interview process is structured to try to solicit additional confidential Apple information. OpenAI never responded when Apple reached out about its concerns. OpenAI's Director of Strategic Communications, Drew Pusateri, tweeted that the company has no interest in other companies' trade secrets in reaction to the suit. In the filing, Apple says that it's likely not aware of the full extent of OpenAI's misconduct. It says OpenAI has been stealing Apple's trade secrets and confidential information. As a natural result, OpenAI's nascent hardware business now rests on the shakiest of foundations, rotten to its core by its illegal reliance on misappropriated trade secrets. The lawsuit comes amid Apple still partnering with OpenAI for Apple Intelligence. In a footnote, Apple says that its existing agreement, which allows the iPhone maker to integrate ChatGPT into its devices, is not at issue here, and that its allegations of trade secret theft have no connection to the arrangement. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.